I am going to be talking about the Noxzema Spa Shave with the triple blade. It said it's new, so meaning one of the guesses I can think that it's new because of the design, because I believe that they used to have one where it was like all the same color, but this one has different colors, and with the 50% more olive, meaning that olive where is inserted into the blade and the shaver itself. But this is what it came in this packet right here. I think it came in four razors. So got 3 left. But it's great for shaving. This is value for spa-like radiance, so meaning that it'll give you that nice smooth look using this shaver. I actually use the shaver only for my legs and my legs. Everything else I have to get waxed due to me having sensitive skin, but I was looking for a shaver that necessarily won't, let me just say it, that wouldn't nick me at all. Like, I know a lot of shavers, especially when it's fresh and new, I have a small cut, here and there. I don't know if it's due to the shaver or due to, the blade or anything, or sometimes I feel like it's a little too rough, if that makes sense. But this shaver, I actually been using it for some years, and I haven't really noticed any nicks. Maybe 1 or 2 if I'm rushing or whatnot, making sure that the shaver actually does the trick. If I didn't break out my arms and other areas and stuff like that, then I definitely would be using this. But since I do have sensitive skin, I gotta get waxed on other areas. But it works really, really well on my legs. Makes my legs feel smooth, no stubbles. When I put on lotion afterwards, when I take a shower, I do feel good, because my legs is nice, smooth, no hair, no stubbles on it at all. And it says that skin conditioning lube strips with 50% more olive for sensitive skin, me, and easy to grip handle, involved head too. And this is what the shaver looks like. Looks like that, and got the brand name up here. Let's see it. Yeah, brand name right there. And then this is what the blade looks like. And then that's the, was it the rubber part that it was describing? Hold on real quick. The loop strip. And I like that it comes in different colors too. If you're good, I believe, if you know how to do it, this blade or shaver part of the head, it actually detaches, so you can attach a new one on it. I remember sometimes that if you pull too hard, all this will come off, and I believe that if you know how to attach a new blade onto it when it gets old, or if you accidentally take the whole thing off, you can add a new one on there. But nice grip. And then it also comes in this cap too, so if you're traveling or something, you definitely can put your shaver back in here, and it slides on really easily, and it comes off really easily as well. The times that I rush, like I said, I might have a small nick here too, but I don't know. I mean, I've used shaving cream and I've used soap when I don't have any shaving cream. I make sure that my legs is a lot of soap and everything else too, and it gives it the same effect. It's just that, I don't know, with shaving cream, I guess it's made for it with the blade, so it kind of glides on your skin better than soap. But I mean, the same thing happens with soap too. I mean, so I don't really have any complaints, you know, which is better. But I believe, you know, shavers are made for shaving cream. Ding, ding, ding. But I mean, you know, sometimes I don't have it, so my other alternative is using soap. Do I have anything else really much to say? I know it's a reasonable price shaver, and it's a quality shaver. I mean, I like the designs. I like how it feels. I like, you know, the effect of it. I like what it looks like afterwards using this. And it definitely doesn't look cheap. As you can see, they like put some effort into it. And I cannot use every shaver. I can't. There's been shavers where I had to stop in the middle of shaving because it was just too much going on. And I mean, those little stubbles on my legs, so it wasn't like I had a whole bunch of hair, and it still nicked me. And hair comes in, it still nicks me. So there's no win-win. Like, even like right when you're getting ready to start, you know, it nicks me. And even I tried using it on my arms just to see, you know, if it's because I don't have a lot of hair, it still nicked me. So I was like, okay, I definitely need to find me a new shaver, but this definitely works for me, and I like the shaver a lot. So if you can, get you that Noxzema Spa Shave Triple Blade.